Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling gear and confirming legal access. You want a bright flashlight and moisture meter ready. Once done, walk the building perimeter looking for typical crawl openings, vents, hinged hatches, removable skirting panels, and note low points where water and dirt collect. Make sure to avoid utility areas and call for permission if needed. While you inspect, map probable entry coordinates and mark them. This gives you a clear first location to probe and prevents wasted time. Next, approach the chosen access and open it cautiously. You may find insects, wiring, and insulation right at the threshold. Then lower a flashlight and a small mirror to scan dark corners, and use a probe pole to feel for structural members and obstacles before entering. Once inside, measure clearance height and inspect for moisture with your meter. This helps prioritize repairs. Make sure to document obstructions, vents, and any hazards with photos so you can plan the next steps accurately. Finally, confirm you found the correct crawl space by matching exterior marks with interior features like vents, floor joists, and utility runs. That alignment proves you're in the right spot. Once confirmed, seal minor gaps, label the access point, and schedule any required remediation or insulation work. If you encounter a blocked or flooded entry, stop and try adjacent exterior panels or alternate hatches. If still blocked, call a qualified contractor. One tip: if instruments give erratic readings, replace batteries and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.